claims that the right to live and the right to die can be seen as two faces of a single coin. Analysis of Aruna Ramachandra Shanbhog Vistarkisurtu, Union of India and others, 2011. In order to prevent abuse, the Aruna Shanbhog case permitted passive euthanasia in specific circumstances with the High Court's authorization. Passive euthanasia is the denial of medical care required to maintain life. It is an omission, whereas active euthanasia is the act of administering a fatal drug or effort to end an individual's life. However, the perception in Aruna Shanbhog's case that Jian Kaur's judgment approved the Airedale judgment is inaccurate. The excerpt from the Airedale judgment that was highlighted in the Jian Kaur case is actually about the need for laws that would permit active euthanasia, not the other way around. Aruna Shanbhog's decision received criticism from Justice Chandrachud as well about the issue of decision-making authority concerning the continuation of medical treatment of the individual. By considering the opinions of Aruna Shanbhog's caregivers, medical staff, and legal experts, the court rejected her right to individual autonomy and self-determination in death. Aruna Shanbhog's interpretation of Jian Kaur's verdict on euthanasia is similarly inconsistent. On the one hand, Aruna Shanbhog claims that no final opinion was conveyed in Jian Kaur. On the other hand, Jian Kaur's lack of a definite opinion on the subject was thus interpreted as sanctioning it. According to Justice Chandrachud, both paths of reasoning cannot coexist. Additionally, Justice Chandrachud is devastated by the court's comparison of Aruna Shanbhog's case to the proceedings of Nazi war offenders, the distinction between different types of euthanasia made by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. In his analysis of the distinction between different types of euthanasia, Justice Chandrachud states, "As the name suggests, involuntary euthanasia is the taking of life against the wishes of the individual being killed. It is against the law and is nothing less than murder. Non-voluntary euthanasia is the act of ending an individual's life without permission or disagreement from the person being murdered. Voluntary euthanasia is the act of ending a person's life at the desire of the individual being killed. Active euthanasia is the act of actively accelerating death. Passive euthanasia does nothing to preserve life." Justice Chandrachud offers a number of remarks about how law and bioethics interact. Moreover, passive euthanasia is a problem if withdrawing or withholding medical treatment could cause suffering and, ultimately, a torturous and protracted death. The goal of euthanasia, which is to end the pain, will be defeated in this situation. For example, Aruna Shanbhog would have died from suffocation if her medical care had been stopped. Is this the most dignified death that could ever occur? To relieve